Living beyond limits. At the age of 15, Amy Purdy developed her passion for snowboarding. She experienced freedom and independent living. But by age 19, all of her dreams were put on hold. Suddenly, her life took a detour. After experiencing a flu-like symptom, Amy was rushed to the hospital in a state of septic shock. She was given less than 2% chance of survival, put on life support, and placed into a coma. After multiple blood transfusions, doctors diagnosed Amy with bacterial meningitis, a vaccine-preventable blood infection. Over the course of 2.5 months, she lost her spleen, her kidneys, her both legs below the knee, and the hearing in her left ear. When Amy was wheeled out of the hospital like a patchwork doll, she was physically and emotionally broken. She received a donated kidney from her father. It was days later when she saw her new pair of legs as her 21st birthday gift that she asked herself a life-defining question. If my life were a book and I were the author, how would I want my story to go? And that is when a new chapter began in her life. And she began to daydream. She daydreamed like she did as a little girl, when she had imagined herself walking gracefully, helping other people through her journey, and snowboarding again. And she put her imagination and creativity to work, and her success story began. Today, Amy Purdy is a world-class competitive snowboarder, dancer, model, actress, designer, and a New York Times best-selling author. Her accomplishments are notable for anyone. She has won 2 back-to-back World Cup gold medals, which made her the highest-ranked adaptive female snowboarder in the world. She co-founded a non-profit organization for youth and young adults with physical disabilities so that they could take part in action sports. In 2014, she won the Paralympic bronze medal for snowboarding. Amy's creativity, positive outlook, and her never give up attitude have opened doors to many other opportunities, including being featured in a Madonna music video, a lead actress role in an award-winning independent film, and multiple creative modeling projects, including photo shoot events. During a TED Talk, Amy called upon the youth to believe in their dreams, face their fears head-on, and allow their lives to be lived beyond the limits. She said, "I learned that our borders and our obstacles can only do 2 things. 1, stop us in our tracks, or 2, force us to get creative. And I chose to be creative. Instead of looking at my challenges and my limitations as something negative or bad, I began to look at them as blessings, magnificent gifts that can be used to ignite my imagination and reach levels of greatness I had never ever imagined."